Hey guys, I'm back. Again, I don't know what I did. So guys, today they did the sheetrock, but they're not done because it's only, I don't know, let me see. It's only 12:33 and yeah, we got the sheetrock. I think they're gonna do the walls next. Let me see. Yeah, I think they're gonna be doing the sheetrock next. I mean, not the sheetrock, the walls. And they're having lunch right now. I think I already said that, but I'm not for sure, so yeah. And it's just super busy downstairs. And yeah. There's a little hole. Go. Uh-oh. What did, okay. And yeah. They have like buckets to stand on. Hold on. Okay. So, they got the big open window and they had to take out a lock. That's to downstairs. Okay, I can't go here anymore. Oh, I'm gonna show you this. Okay, so let's see. Wait, look at this. So, that's gonna be the okay, I can't come in these rooms. I have to go back downstairs. Sorry. I just Whoa. This isn't gonna be a long video because I just don't know what to say. And yeah. Sunkiss. Diet Sunkiss orange. I had McDonald's for breakfast, and yeah, it's only been 3 minutes. I don't know. I just randomly did a video since I didn't want to I don't know. I think I'm gonna end the video here, and yeah, bye.